here from Your Kids OT. Thanks for joining me here today as I show you how to make these cute little snappers. All you'll need is some paper, a pair of scissors and something to decorate your snappers with. They're a really versatile little thing that you can make at home or in your therapy sessions. You can use them as little puppets that can talk, working on social skills. You might be working on regulation and make the colours to correspond with the zones of regulation. You might just make them as a fine motor little puppet that you can feed with little scrunched up bits of paper or playdough or something like that. They're just a really cute little versatile little tool that you can use at home. So I'm going to switch the camera down and show you how to fold to make these little puppets. To make a snapper, you'll need a square piece of paper, and if you don't have a square, then you can just fold one corner down into a triangle and cut along this side here to form a square. As with any paper folding activity, it pays to be as accurate as you can be and to press down hard on the folds. So we're going to start by folding the square in half with one side going over to the other side and pushing down on that center fold. We're going to open that back up again and fold the side into the center, measuring it up, pressing down hard. We're going to flip the whole thing over and fold from the side to the center that you folded previously. Then take the corner and form a triangle into the center. We're going to do that on all four sides. Take the corner and fold it into the center to form a triangle. Then fold the whole thing in half along that center fold. And you should have a boat shape. Fold the whole thing in half this way. Then open it back up. Find the long side and make a small cut about 1/3 of the way up. And it will depend on the size of your square to start with as to how far up you're going to cut. I'm going to cut about 1 centimetre. Then with that long side facing you, take just the top section and fold down. And again on this side, take the top section and fold it down. So you should have that shape. Flip the whole thing and repeat that again. Take that top shape and fold it down. Take the top and fold it down, and that will form your mouth. To open your snapper, pull apart the two sides that you folded. Just open it up a little bit, and there you have a little snapper. And you can open and close it by holding the top and the base. You might need more than one finger on top. You can decorate this by adding some eyes or adding a tongue or creating an animal from the snapper. I'd love to see if you've made these snappers at home or in your therapy sessions. I'd love to see your ideas about how you've incorporated these into your therapy sessions. Tag me on Instagram at YourKidsOT. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you can.